I'd love to go camping, what do I need? Camping is a wonderful and magical time where you and your friends can enjoy the great outdoors. The advantages include time away from the hustle and bustle of cities for a slower pace of life for a weekend, enjoying the simple pleasures in life. To make the most of your next camping trip, read on into the following paragraphs. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. Before you head out on your long-awaited camping trip, make sure the area where you plan to camp doesn't require a camping permit. If you happen to camp in a place that does require one and you didn't get one, then you could be facing quite a hefty ticket or fine from a local forest ranger. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug and of course, that your campfire is completely out. Pack a few shovels if there are children with you on your trip. Kids love nothing better than digging in the dirt, and having the right accessories is crucial. If you have room, bring a bucket too. The children will happily entertain themselves in the dirt while you unpack, set up camp and do everything that you need to do. Camping means you and your family and friends can get some time both outdoors and away from the modern world, with all its stress, hectic pace and technology. When you keep in mind all the tips from this video, you can sleep in your tent in peace, knowing all your bases are covered. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.